Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, backup camera, AM/FM stereo with CD player, adjustable lumbar seats, FWD, premium sound system, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, home link system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.